Hey guys, it's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. I am back today with another video in the how to start a print-on-demand business video. And today we're going to be talking about Spreadshirt. So I have a love so deep for Spreadshirt that started in 2009. This is the very first print-on-demand site that I ever used to create a shirt. I do have a few of the shirts, so when I do my 2020 print on demand sites video, I will make sure I pull out the shirts that I have from Spreadshirt. And my husband actually has a shirt from 2012 that still looks good. So if that is a testament to the quality that they've always brought for me, I am truly glad that they are now, kind of just starting to get a little bit better, but they are an amazing site that I definitely love. But enough about that. So I'm going to show you guys how to create your account with Spreadshirt. All right, so Spreadshirt is a platform sort of like, the TeePublics and stuff like that, but you can create any type of products here. Gifts, men's accessories, home living, and you can also sell your marketplace designs as well. When someone uses your design on a shirt, say you created these pineapples and you had it for sale in the marketplace, every time someone uses your pineapple and it sells, you get a commission there too. I have been paid a lot throughout the years from Spreadshirt. I don't think I still have my store up, but it was, my initial first store. But this is just, an overview of their website, basically showing you how it works. So much has changed on this site, and I'm super glad that they finally, just started to update their site and, just get better and become still a top competitor in this industry. They do not integrate with any websites, but we're going to go ahead and start selling. So let's click here to see if it asks us to log in or do we want to join. So it says, want to shop, you just register to shop on Spreadshirt. If you want to sell, you become a partner. I cannot remember if there's a waiting period or I can just, go ahead in. But where we want to do is basically open up our own t-shirt store. So I'm going to click on that. And listen, I have not created a Spreadshirt shop or store or anything in years. So I cannot remember what the process was like before. So I'm just doing this, signing up with everything as normal, what you would do when you sign up to a new website. Make sure they know you are not a robot by clicking that button. But I've been wanting to do this video for so long, but at one point, my computer just did not like this site because it was like blocking out everything and I could not do anything. So immediately you get, into the partner program. You can have the guided tour, which will basically show you different things. So you create the shop, you upload and create your product. So I'm just going to go through this like how you would normally do it too. So it says click here to upload designs and create. So we're going to click here. Here's the design button. So here it would say, upload your designs here to begin creating. So it says drag your file here or upload. So we're going to quickly go ahead and browse, and we're going to bring in that also handy dandy Dear Military Spouse logo that I normally use. Let me find it. It's in here. There we go. So I'm going to use that one. It's the black one. So that is completed. So the next step, it says click here to proceed, right? So we're going to click here. Let's see. I'm going to try to do another design. Just give me a second. All right, so I went ahead and designed a few more designs to see. I did that one, and I got one more. I don't know why the other one, I think maybe the other one wasn't the right size. But says click here to create and publish products. So the size I did was 4167 by 5000 in Canva. So here are some products. Excuse me. So you decide which ones you want to sell. This is a woman's tee. I'm going to click on this to edit it. So you can pull the size out there. If you wanted something on the back, you can do that. Check out the product colors. So let's see what we have. Powder blue. That's the heather gray. You have a yellow. You have a royal blue. This is a heather coral. You have purple heather. Heather pink. Of course, you have white. So I'm going to apply that. So again, you can go in and, change or switch up certain things. So this is the baseball cap. And obviously it looks like it is to the size. And it's just kind of showing you the print area, the product color. Okay. I'm going to hit next. You're going to write the name. Dear Military Spouse Apparel. And then it gives you some tags, looks like already. And then you can put your own tags. So, and then you hit create. So, listen, even though you signed up and you created your first product now, these are, just a few other things that you need to do. So, I'm going to go ahead and go to the customize your shop. I'm going to click this button. This is like the little shop home here. So you can see your products there. Let me X out of that so you can see stuff. So far this is, what your shop would look like. So then they have each tab, general, shop name, SEO data. And this is just so your website can be found better. So the URL would be, and I like to take these lines out. So it's like a one word, Spreadshirt.com, dear military spouse. And here you can write a description on what the shop is about, okay? I'm going to scroll back up and go back to general. Then we're going to go to contact information. And I'm going to fill out all this information off camera. So here it says, shop status. You can go ahead and put your shop online. So it says, just one last thing. You do this information here. So now your shop is online. It said, boom, your shop is now open. You can visit your shop. This is amazing that they do this. It says, celebrate your grand opening with this great promo for your customers. They get 15% off. So this promo will be shown in a banner on your shop. And I'm going to go ahead and click this to open that up in another, website. And then it says here, guide, shop to selling. But also we need to go back to general because there was still, a lot of things that we could do. So page setting, it has a shop page. This is way more than not Shopify, way more than they've ever had before. So it's just totally different. So like here it says, you can basically create a whole whole thing now. This is like an actual website. So it's like Dear Military Spouse. Or yeah, welcome to Dear Military Spouse. Find your product. So search bar or the shop now button. So this is, to me, this is a step up from what they have been doing. I guess this is a part for like products and different things. So this is how the product preview shows up here. And remember, you can go back into each item and set things up. You can do about the shop. You could add trust elements, which would probably be like a seal or something. You can customize the tool banner here when they can create their own products. I love that feature too. Here, product list page. So you basically own the way everything looks. How many items you want per page? 12. Let's say 12 products per page. You show the prices. You filter. You can let them filter by color. You can let them see the products by the designs. Are that you can sort it. So many different options that you can provide. So here you can include other Spreadshirt designs. That's what it looks like. People can allow them to add custom text. But that's just, some shop settings, which I think is good. And then you have the appearance. You can add your logo. So let me see if that one might be too big. So we're not going to do that because that link might be too big. But you can upload your shop logo. You can change the color and the fonts. So let's see, we want it black. Choose background, leave that like that. You can change the heading font. You can change the text. I do not like that text that is showing right now. So let's go to something different. So it'll change the fonts here. I like that way better. I like both fonts on things. So, get me in and get me out. Let me know. Wow, they have themes now. So this is actually like great. They have definitely stepped up their game. So if you wanted to select this theme, it would change the way your store looks. Check that out. So it's a whole different look than the original one that we just saw. So let's see if we need to go back and change our colors. So I want it black. There we go. So then you can change how you want your promotions and stuff to look. I'm just proud of how far, they've come. And you can select your models. And because I'm black, I would definitely love a black model. Just because if this was like more so catered towards black people. But you can choose whoever you want on your website. But sometimes that's hard. I don't like being for real. Sometimes it's really hard to find black mock-up pictures of black people. And it sucks because a lot of small business owners don't have the money to do photo shoots. So here is where you get into the pricing. The base price is $16. If I like to charge $25 for my shirts. So I'll do $25.99. And then I would make $9.50 from that sale. So you can go in and change all of this here. I just showed you guys how to do one. Here it says, if you're a nonprofit shop, you do that. But you can just set all of your, prices to whatever you want it to be. Promo campaigns. I love this because before, what used to happen is they would definitely only show you the promos and tell you that it was coming up. But I love that it's allowing you to go through this process together with them and show these different promotions, right? Long way from the beginning. And I didn't mean for this video to be this long, but so much good stuff on Spreadshirt. Long way from 2009 when I started. So I have social media sharing, web analytics. You can hook up your Facebook pixel. Amazing. Google Analytics here as well. I love that. And then, has a product feed. So that is dope. I have to read up on what that is. And now you have some advanced stuff like embed a shop in your website. So it looks like it has, WordPress and Joomla there. Social media links that you can add your links here. And then you can change the language and the currency. So that, like, you've basically set up shop, right? That didn't take too long, which is good. But we're gonna go over here and check out the shop. Let's refresh because we've changed some things. So, and we gotta take out those lines because you remember I said I didn't like the lines. So the shop would look like this. So it's Dear Military Spouse shop, find your product, see your product review, preview for things here. And also, I think I'm going to do a video on the difference between print on demand and drop shipping. So you guys know that, like, sites like this, I prefer to say print on demand, and then sites like Printful, and like T-Launch and like Kin Custom, I feel is drop shipping because you are still kind of hands-on with the process and they are delivering the product that you pay for first. So you're actually paying for the product to be delivered. So you're paying to get the product drop shipped. As far as like sites like Teespring and TeePublic, you never have any type of money taken out of your pocket. So that's a whole nother video. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I didn't want it to be super long, but I can't wait to come back and do the 2020 print on demand sites and give you guys a review of Shopify and the products that I have at home. So until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.